Now what we're going to do is some iteration. Iteration means going through the design process multiple times over and over again, so that once I've created something, instead of just thinking, okay, now I guess I'm done, instead I treat it as the first step and I use it to tweak it and make something new without throwing away the old version, but just by kind of adjusting it a little bit. So you'll notice that I named my project Witten Drawing Tool 1.0. That means that I can go over here to the File section and click Save as a Copy. And that's going to give me a new version that says Copy right here. And I'm going to change it to say 2.0. Now I have a new version that I can change without completely throwing away the one I already created. And I might make a small change, like changing how quickly the pen changes by turning the 10 into a 2, or by changing the range of sizes that my pen switches between. Let's see, I'm going to bring this up to a 30 and this up to a 5. Now, when I test it out, I'm seeing a little bit of a change in what my pen does. So there's a 2.0, but I'm not quite done yet. I can go back to File, Save as a Copy, and make a 3.0. And the more you go, the more you might start to realize that you're kind of trying to create certain types of changes. You might start putting loops inside your forever loop. For instance, instead of setting my pen size, I'm going to try changing my pen size so that the pen size slowly gets larger. And I'm going to duplicate that and turn this into a -1 so that after it grows by 1 10 times, it will then shrink by 1 10 times. Whoa, there's a bug in that program. I need to set my pen size back to 1 at the beginning of the program. Otherwise, my pen size is way too big. Now my pen gradually gets thicker, gradually gets thinner. All right, I'm going to save as a copy and create version 4.0 by adjusting some of the numbers on here, like making it grow a little bit faster. And why don't I toss in another change, like the transparency of my pen? So my pen is going to start to be a little bit see-through. Let's make this 5. And I'm going to duplicate that and add it down here to cancel it out on the second loop, make that a -5. Now my pen is a little bit transparent at certain points. I kind of like that version. So today, try to create as many different iterations as you can and name each of them. Then at the end of this project, you'll be able to go through your saved projects and choose the iteration that you like the best.